Hey, welcome back to my channel. GEARWRENCH 44PC 12 points combination wrench set. GEARWRENCH introduced the original patented 5-degree ratcheting wrench in 1996 and quickly became a go-to brand for professional automotive technicians. The innovation didn't stop there. Year after year, the GEARWRENCH brand continues to expand its line in ratcheting tools and beyond to help automotive and industrial technicians get their jobs done faster and easier. Includes sizes 1/4-inch, 5/16, 11/32, 3/8, 7/16, 1/2, 9/16, 5/8, 11/16, 3/4, 13/16, 7/8, 15/16, 1, 1/1/16, 1/1/8, 1/1/4, 1/5/16, 1/1/2, 6 mm, 7 mm, 8 mm, 9 mm, 10 mm, 11 mm, 12 mm, 13 mm, 14 mm, 15 mm, 16 mm, 17 mm, 18 mm, 19 mm, 20 mm, 21 mm, 22 mm, 23 mm, 24 mm, 25 mm, 26 mm, 27 mm, 28 mm, 30 mm and 32 mm. Off-corner loading design on open end, stronger grip, reduces fastener rounding, up to 25% more torque. Off-corner loading design on box end for better grip and reduced fastener rounding. 15. Offset box end for better access. Large size stamp on open end. Made of premium alloy steel. Bright, full polish chrome finish. Meets or exceeds ASME standards. Check out the video description for updated price. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and hit the like button.